Hello teachers! This video is about using Skype to teach online lessons. So we will look at some of the most important features. The first thing you need to learn about is how to make calls. So before you make any calls, you need to get the student's Skype ID and you can type it in here. So you can look for the person here and then you can select the person from the contact list below. So here the person's profile comes up. And if you're going to be teaching a group, you can also create a group, so you can add people to the conversation from the list below. So to call people, you have two options. You can have an audio call or a video call. When you are teaching, you need to use the video call because it's really nice. It makes you feel like you're in a classroom, so it's very useful. So for now, we will have a test call. So we will just do an audio call for this time. So you can see how you can use the functions while you're calling somebody. Okay, so once the call is working, you can also use the chat box, which is the second feature you need to learn to use. You can access the chat box by clicking here. So this is useful to write words or short sentences, etc. during the lesson. And you can also send attachments from here by clicking here. And here you select whatever file you want to send. So please use this to send maybe Word documents or short PDFs during the lessons, but don't use it to send books. You need to send books beforehand, maybe 1 or 2 days before the lesson, and you can send them by email, so that the student has time to download them, because trying to download heavy documents during a lesson is very time consuming, so it's better to avoid it. Another important feature is the sharing your screen. So you can access this by clicking here. Okay, so here you can start sharing, and then you can stop sharing by clicking here again. This is a useful feature if you are teaching, for example, Arabic or Japanese, and the student wants to learn to write. So here you can use this to show them maybe how to draw special characters, for example. Okay, so our last feature is the recording feature. So this is one of Skype's latest functions, and it's very useful because it allows the student to watch the session as many times as necessary after it's over. So please let the student know beforehand that you will be recording the session, and to do so you just click here record session. So here you start with the recording, and to stop it, okay, we'll see this in seconds. To stop it, you'll have to click up here again. Here, stop it. And once you have finished the session, the recording will be available automatically to all the participants in the call in their chat box. And they can download the recording for 30 days. After this, they won't be able to download it anymore. They won't be able to access it. So please ask them to download it as soon as possible. And once they have downloaded it, they can watch it as many times as they wish to. So thank you very much for your attention, and I hope you enjoy teaching online. Have a nice day.